Assalamu alaikum and very good afternoon to all who are joining my session. So today it is project-based collaborative learning which I am using in my subject or building design. The final outcome they are using the digital technologies. Aim is work together and learn together. So I will share with you. So before we will go, we have to learn that what are the essential elements of PBL or problem-based, project-based learning. So where the key element is key knowledge, understanding and success skill. The project is focused on a student learning goal, challenging problem or question. So they are coming up solution and within them they have to challenge what is the best solution and they have to and sustained inquiry. So they are engaged in rigorous expanded process of asking questions, finding resources and applying information. It is simulating like a designer and authenticity, which is the project features real world context, then student voice choice. They can also make their voices in creating reflections, critique and revision and public product. So these are the elements which are required and some of them are being taken care in that. Characteristics of project-based learning. So as I say, usually like in civil not very big, so we usually go almost 5. So a good choice 5 to 8 student and based on that they can generate hypothesis. For example, like El Nino example here, the cause of weather and identify what they know and what they need to know. So based on that, what as I told you, it is final year elective. So they have to come up what additional knowledge they have to gain before coming to that, and so they have to revise, search for the information needed, self-directed study and like share what they have learned with the group. And so again because different tasks are being given to different students within a group, and then based on that group discussion they have to summarize their learning. So this is the example which is a group term project which is I have given again in September. So this is the example. So the objective which are like my requirement which I have given to them, in that each of the term project groups are expected to develop a model design for this IT hub by incorporating green building protecting technologies for always assuring the health and well-being of occupant without stopping building operation. So that was the main objective, right? So the technical details of the building which was given, that 7,000 person there is a plot given in that, right? So there were operational requirement, which means that what should be the operational requirement for ensuring during COVID-like pandemic the building can operate as normal. Supposed to submit 2 things. One is the video file which is 10 minutes long, and the technical report which is about maximum of 50 pages, that can include in journal what is the project report. In this project which comprise of usually 20% marks, so the weightage of different segments were given: creative approach, relationship with site, sustainability, functionality and operation, and video presentation, right? So I think this is an example of
Malaysia reported 3,000 new COVID-19 cases.
COVID-19. Johor Bahru was definitely affected due to residents.
That's all from me, and if you have any question